really, really, really hot. You gotta be careful. Don't touch it, okay?
Do you understand, Rebel?
Yeah.
Big pancakes and bacon. Pour it slowly. Slowly. Good. A little bit.
And this is the same thing with your food.
Oh, thank you so much. She loves coming here.
Sure.
And she's got steak, and she's got pancake with a ribeye, and she's got her tiger ears.
You guys have...
No, baby, we don't put ketchup on bacon and pancakes usually. We put it here on the steak.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thank you. Because sometimes pancakes don't go good with ketchup and maple syrup. But
I want to eat your egg, Daddy.
you want my eggs? Okay. How many did you get?
2.
2? You want to get... Okay, if you just want 2. You want one... Here, you want to go get more than 2? Can I take the other one? So later you can have it with your pancakes?
Yes.
Okay. Go get one more.
Okay.
And honey if you like.